Good afternoon, everybody. It's Johnny Blender, and we're starting to get some work done out here in the office/studio. So getting some signs up right now. I have just got through insulating the walls, which I'm still itching from. Then we got to sheet that, and then I've got to put a ceiling in or paint the ceiling, and do some overhead lighting. Just a bunch of stuff, trying to get everything ready to get the show started back up. A few things I wanted to point out. If you've got some of the other links that we posted and you see the link for Linktree, don't only, when you open the Linktree link, click the bell at the top. That way it gets you get subscribed to it, and you'll get notifications whenever we go live with the show or a new video pops up or anything like that. So please help me out by doing this. It's kind of funny when you look at the Linktree thing. I got a little shop up there since we're going to try to do the show this time. Right now we're not doing any sponsors, so we put some real cool looking shirts and stuff up there that we'll make, $2 a piece or something like that, just a commission off of. So we got some stuff that other little homeowners, small business owners are doing, so check those out. If you could order from them, if you see something you like, I'm gonna keep putting different stuff up. Right now I think I've got shirts and jeans and things like work jeans, stuff that I use in the shop and stuff that I have. We've got some artwork up there as well, so check that out. Be sure and give us the little bell. We'll be on LinkedIn, Twitter, Facebook, YouTube, Instagram. So we're starting to put more locations up where the show. It just takes a lot getting everything ready to restart the show since we changed the name from Whiskey Car Cigars to the Johnny Blender Show. We're having to do some extra work. And when I say we, I mean me. So check that out when you get a chance. Give us a like. Let us know what you think. If there's anything we can do to help you promote your event or anything like that, give us a shout. Another thing, when we go back, there's a booking link on the Linktree page. So if you want to book something for a time that you want to come on the show, or you've got time for an interview, click that booking so it'll notify me, and then I can get in touch with you. We can talk about something, set up an interview. I can do interviews live, or I can do interviews pre-recorded. So whatever fits your schedule, let us know. Also, anyone who has a business that has shirts or has a shirt, if you've got any shirts that you like, today I've got my Dice Converter shirt on. So if you've got any shirts, or you want me to talk about your business, give who, what, when, and where on your business, send me a shirt. You can go and get my address off the pages. Send me a shirt. We'll talk about your products. We'll talk about your business. We'll give your contact information and try to help you out. Us small business guys have to stick together, and I have promoted small businesses for a long time. So whatever I can do to help, let me know. Other than that, just wanted to say happy Saturday to everybody. I drove around this morning looking to see if there was any car shows anywhere, and there wasn't, so I came back in and started doing this. I would have much rather found a car show or something that I could have killed a few hours at, because all this is a pain. But thanks for tuning in. Thanks for checking in. Don't forget to hit those and click those likes and subscribe and all that stuff that I'm trying to relearn. So have a great weekend. And I will be up. Keep watching the list, because you'll see when the new show is starting. We're going to have like a cool little premiere thing that we're going to do, but check it out. Stay with us. Thank you. Be good.